Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, The Fashion Alchemist. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, according to your time and your location. You are most welcome to my YouTube channel. So, guys, if you are beginner on my YouTube channel, then please subscribe. And if you have already subscribed, then don't forget to press the bell icon for more designs, for more collections, and for more notification. In this way, you will never miss my any video and collection of my channel. How are you guys? I hope all of you doing good and enjoying best condition of your health. Today in this video I'm showing you very attractive, fantastic and outstanding collection of leather long boots. These are very amazing, dynamic and can go with any outfit. This is for those ladies, women and girls who love to wear these leather long boots. This is for special occasions like weddings, proms, formal events, get together as well as for kiddies parties. These are made from high quality of leather. If you are a going lady, then these options are perfect for you because these options are endless. You can wear these leather long boots 7 to 8 hours easily. These are very flexible, comfortable, stylish, elegant and easy to wear. You can wear these leather long boots with leather skirts, denim jackets, leather jackets, sweaters, t-shirts, shirts, etc. Also you can wear these with leather leggings. So friends, if you're loving these and if you want to buy these, then I will tell you the website from where you can buy these very elegant, adorable and glamorous collection of leather long boots online. Before telling you the website, please subscribe my channel, and if you have already subscribed, then don't forget to press the bell icon for more designs, for more collections and for more notifications. In this way you will never miss my any video and collection of my channel. And guys, there is tons of exciting content waiting for you on my YouTube channel, so be sure to check it out. Follow me for fashion inspiration, styling tips, leather outfit ideas like bodycon dresses, mini skirts, midi skirts, leather long boots, leather leggings, leather low knee high heel shoes and many other genuine leather footwear collections. So friends, the website from where you can buy these very glamorous and adorable collection of leather long boots online. So friends, you can buy these at amazon.com, aliexpress.com, alibaba.com, timo.com and many the best websites. You can buy these very easily at any cost, at any brand. So friends, if you're loving these, then please do like my video and also share my video with your friends, with your family members, with your relatives and social media also. There is a humble request that please watch this video till the end and share this video with your friends, with your family members, with your relatives and social media also. If you have any doubt, then the comment section is available for you. You can comment freely at any time. You can also ask any question. Let us know in the comment section that which one is your favorite, because you can see guys, all of these designs are good and perfect in this my video. Thanks for watching my videos. Keep visiting my channel. So goodbye dear friends, till the next video. See you soon.